If you want to customize folder in home screen on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, what you can do is you can just simply press and hold your finger on the folder that you want to customize, and then here we have the option to make the folder bigger. So we can choose big folder, and there we go, we have now bigger folder that takes a little bit more space, but then every app that we have visible in here can be opened directly without having to go into that folder. So of course, if you have this one by one folder, in order to open an app, you have to tap on that folder and then you choose the app from this list. But every app that you can see here can be opened directly without having to open the folder. Of course, if you have more apps in here, of course you will not be able to open every app. So let me make this one bigger for a second. And there we go. In here you will see that we have more apps than the folder can actually show. So if you tap in the bottom right corner in here, then you can actually still open the folder if you want to choose something that is not listed in here. Besides that, you can of course tap on the text that we have available in here, I mean the name of the folder, and you can just rename the folder. You can just set up any name that you want to, and that is all. Of course, we can shrink the folder back to 1 by 1 size if necessary, and that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.